Hey guys, welcome back to Eskimo Outdoors, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I like to put a scope on a pellet gun. Now first off, you're going to have to check the rail. Check if your pellet gun or BB gun has a rail on it, and that's where you're going to need to mount the scope on. If it has a dovetail rail like this, it's kind of just like long, there's not any bumps in it, no tracks at all. That's how you know you have a dovetail rail. But if you have something more like this, you have a Picatinny rail. It's more blocky, and you have to get a different kind of mount. Right here, I just got a Crossman 760 pellet gun slash BB gun, and it's real cheap, like 40 bucks from Walmart. And I just got a little bar socket scope right here, just like a little $20 one I put on 22s pellet guns all the time. It's got like 8 times zoom, but you're not gonna really use that with a pellet gun. But just had it laying around, the mounts kind of rusted up. I'm gonna show you guys how I like to put it on. First off, you're gonna have to make sure your mounts are actually on the scope itself. It's all locked in here and they're not sliding around. It's just all secure onto the scope itself. You're gonna have to make sure you line the scope up how you want it to be when it's on your gun. So I like it about around down by the pistol grip right here. That's where I like the bottom of the scope, so I'm gonna keep it like right about there. Now on all scopes, you're gonna have these little grippers right here. They're gonna move back and forth and they're gonna go onto your rail. You need to tighten that onto your rail. Right here, just got my scope. I very lightly, I haven't finished it yet, but I put it on where I want it to be. Now, depending on what kind of, they're all rusted over right here, you can tell, but depending on what the hole is in the middle, you can use like a screwdriver, a flat screwdriver, something like that, pliers to tighten it just a little bit. That way the scope's not moving around. So I just tightened it with some pliers, and now I need to go sight it in. So there you guys have it. That's the video, how to put a scope on a pellet gun. If you guys liked it, subscribe, and thank you guys for watching.